How to transfer USDT from Exodus wallet to Binance. Let's get started. So in mobile, first thing you want to do is open your Exodus mobile app and then go to your wallet icon and swipe down to find the USDT asset. Then tap the send button on the left side of your wallet. Then, if the asset you are sending has a balance on multiple networks, you need to select the network you want to use for that transaction. Then tap the switch icon to choose between the entering amount in the fiat or crypto, and then enter the amount you would like to send. For example, in Exodus Mobile, the minimum amount of Bitcoin you can send is 0.000000546 Bitcoin. And after you send the amount, the icon for the advanced menu will appear. So tap the advanced icon to access the additional transaction options. Now from here, you can enter a custom fee for Bitcoin or Ethereum and ERC20 coins. You can also enable the RBF for Bitcoin, and you can also enter a personal note for transactions and then proceed and then tap confirm. Then tap to continue. And then tap to paste the destination address. Use the QR scanners to scan the destination address QR code and double check and make sure that the address is correct because transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. And another option is to tap and hold the tap to place address field to pull up a keyboard to manually enter an address, and then tap review. And if this is your first time sending a transaction, you'll see a warning that is permanent, so tap got it to confirm that you understand the transactions and review the transaction details. And if everything looks good, slide down to the arrow to the right to send your crypto. And that's how you can basically transfer USDT from Exodus wallet to Binance.